Popfizz AP Computer Science Principles curriculum is endorsed by the College Board and aligns 100% with the CED. There are hundreds of secure practice questions, step-by-step Python tutorials, and plenty of big and small coding projects to help students prepare for the big AP exam and the Create task. There are various types of hands-on activities to boost student engagement, discuss real-world problems of computing innovations, explore the internet by tracing data packets, visualize data using Python, and much more. Daily lesson guides and lesson slides are available, which also point to AP Classroom resources so you can easily coordinate and make the best of both Popfizz and the AP Classroom. Track your students' progress and don't let anyone fall behind. Download the customizable teacher resource such as lesson slides and solution guides. Control access to the content, release preloaded assignments and exams with a click of a button, or add your own. Integrate with your learning management system and streamline your tools. If you have your own question sets and projects, add them using the custom content creator. Also, any project that students work on can be exported to students' own workspace so they can keep working on it and share it with the world. There is so much more, so try out Popfizz today.